Welcome back my YouTube channel Supercars TV 99. The Suzuki Mehran has long been one of the most recognizable names in Pakistan's automotive landscape, and in 2025, it seems the legend is ready to make yet another statement. Often called the people's car, the Mehran has historically offered affordability, simplicity, and reliability. And now Suzuki aims to bring this beloved nameplate into a new era. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran has been reimagined with a fresh approach while staying true to the qualities that made it so iconic over the decades. At first glance, the Suzuki Mehran 2025 carries a modern, compact design that still pays homage to its classic roots. The body has been slightly reshaped to match the aerodynamic trends of today's hatchbacks, offering both improved fuel efficiency and a slightly sportier presence on the road. Suzuki has also added new headlamps with LED daytime running lights, giving the car a touch of contemporary flair while improving nighttime visibility. Under the hood, the Suzuki Mehran 2025 features a more refined and fuel-efficient engine compared to its predecessor. Although Suzuki has kept the displacement modest, the tuning is designed to meet modern emission standards and deliver better mileage, which is perfect for budget-conscious drivers and those commuting daily in urban settings. Suzuki has also introduced a more efficient 5-speed manual gearbox, which helps balance performance and economy while offering a smooth driving experience. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Supercar TV 99. Inside the cabin, the new Mehran has taken a noticeable leap forward in comfort and functionality. The dashboard has been redesigned with simplicity and modern tech in mind. For the first time in Mehran's history, Suzuki is offering optional infotainment systems featuring touchscreen displays, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone integration. The seats have been reshaped for better comfort on long drives, and improved sound insulation ensures a quieter cabin compared to previous models. In terms of safety, Suzuki has finally answered customer requests by adding airbags, ABS brakes, and improved crumple zones, making the 2025 Mehran a much safer option for families and first-time car owners. These additions are a huge step forward, especially for a car that's always been known more for its price than its safety. One of the most exciting aspects of the Suzuki Mehran 2025 is its price. Suzuki has worked hard to maintain its reputation for affordability. Despite the new features, modernized design, and safety upgrades, the Mehran 2025 remains one of the most cost-effective choices on the market, making it ideal for students, small families, and daily commuters. Suzuki's extensive service network and availability of spare parts also ensure long-term peace of mind for buyers. Overall, the Suzuki Mehran 2025 manages to combine nostalgia with practicality. It is a small car with a big history, and now it's ready to meet the future without losing its identity. Whether you are buying your first car or looking for a reliable, fuel-saving second vehicle, the new Mehran makes a strong case to win your heart once again. If you'd like, I can also help you draft a catchy YouTube title, description, and tags for this article. Want me to do that?